Meaning of dorky.
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 Dorky. Dorky is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is odd, socially awkward, or unfashionable. It often implies a lack of coolness or sophistication. A dorky person may engage in nerdy hobbies or have interests that are not mainstream. They may also have quirky or unconventional mannerisms, which can make them endearing or annoying depending on the situation and the observer's perspective. The term dorky is often seen as harmless teasing or self-deprecating humor among friends, but it can also be used as a mean-spirited insult.